Hello class 2, welcome to your value education class. Children, we have already completed our syllabus, and as you all know that the syllabus for value education is chapter 11, 12, 13, 14, and revision chapters are 1, 5 and 4. Okay, so we have done all the chapters properly, and then we have done the exercises given at the back of the chapters, right? So true and false, fill in the blanks, question answers, everything whatever are given at the back of the chapter we have done. So today let us start the revision uh, from chapter 11. Okay, as the syllabus starts from chapter 11 and the name of the chapter is Don't Be Afraid. And here from this chapter we have learned the value of courage. Right? We shouldn't be afraid of doing anything for the first time. What we have seen is some children are scared of doing things for the first time, and how to overcome that we have learned in this chapter. And the moral of the chapter is never be afraid of doing things for the first time. Then we have done the question answers like what all things scare children, then what makes a man perfect. Practice makes a man perfect, right? We know this. So these are the answers, question answer. Two questions are given here. Now children, let us once again discuss the fill in the blanks given in this chapter, like fill in the blanks using the following words for you first afraid practice. So God is everywhere, so you shouldn't be dash of anything. So God is everywhere, so you should not be afraid. You shouldn't be afraid of anything. Number 2, some children are scared of doing things for the dash time. So as I told you, some children are scared of doing the things for the first time. So here what you have to do is, children, you will not get the options. Listen it properly. You will not get the options given here. So what you have to do, you have to learn the spellings. All the spellings you must learn. Unless and until you learn the spellings, you write the spellings correctly, you are not going to get marks, right? So the more you dash, the less afraid dash will be. So the more you practice, the less afraid you will be. Okay, these are the fill in the blanks of chapter 11, right? Then come to chapter 12. All the fill in the blanks we'll discuss. Chapter 12, there is no fill up as such in this chapter. Then we'll move to chapter 13. Yes, chapter 13 is there, page number 59. To open your book to page number 59. At page number 59, so here see, fill in the blanks. Number B, fill in the blanks using the following words. Being loyal means being dash and supportive. Here being loyal means faithful. So children, please learn the spellings properly. Being loyal means faithful, F-A-I-T-H, faith, F-U-L, full, faithful and supportive. Mayank was very fond of skating, S-K-A-T-I-N-G, skating. Then number 3, Rocky ran to the place from where his master had disappeared. So here also spelling is D-I-S, disappeared, A-P-P-E-A-R-E-D. Write all the spellings again and again in your CW copy so that you can write well, okay, in the exam. So Rocky ran to the place from where his master had disappeared. D-I-S, disappeared, A-P-P-E-A-R-E-D, appeared. Then number 4, Mayank was dash to have Rocky with him. So Mayank was lucky, L-U-C-K-Y, lucky. Then number 5, Mayank suffered a dash cold for many days. So Mayank suffered a severe spelling. What is the spelling of severe? S-E-V-E-R-E, severe cold for many days. Okay, so learn all the spellings. That is why I am going through this revision class. All of you listen properly what I am telling you. Try to do that, practice at home. Okay, then we'll move to chapter 14. Chapter 14 is the last chapter. See whether there are fill up. Yes. See number B, page number 63. Helen belonged to a well-established and dash family. She belonged to a respected family. Respected, R-E-S-P-E-C-T-E-D, respected family. When Helen was just 19 months old, a mysterious disease infected her. Right? Turn the page. Page number 64. Number 3 is disobedience is the dash through which knowledge and love enter the mind of child. So obedience is the gateway, G-A-T-E, gateway, W-A-Y, gateway through which knowledge and love enters the mind of a child. Okay, so gateway, G-A-T-E, gateway, W-A-Y, gateway. Number 4, one day Helen spelled the word, one day suddenly Helen spelled the word, which word? Doll, D-O-L-L, doll. So these are the fill in the blanks from 11 to 14 we have discussed. Then we'll move to chapter 1. When we'll go to chapter 1, there you will find here also many fill in the blanks are there. Page number 8, you see, refer page number 8. Here the place of worship for Hindu is what do we call? Where the Hindus go to worship? Temple, T-E-M-P-L-E, temple. Then again the Muslim says their prayer in a mosque, M-O-S-Q-U-E, isn't it? Then Sikhs visit a dash to pray, Gurudwara, G-U-R-U, Guru, D-W-A-R-A, Gurudwara. The Christians go to worship in a, the Christian goes to worship in a church, C-H-U-R-C-H, church. So all the spellings you have to learn. Then we'll move to page chapter 5. Open your book to chapter 5. Chapter 5 is obey your elders. Obey your elders, and the value is obedience. Okay, the importance of being obedient. Here there are no fill up as such, but see in this chapter page number 27, you will find some rearrange the letters in each word. You will know about your elders. Page number 27. So put a star mark, do this properly. T-A-H-R-F-E-E-C-N-U-L-A-E-T-E-R-C-H R-E-H-O-T-M. So these letters are not arranged properly, so we are not getting any meaning from this word. These words are meaningless. So what you have to do is you have to rearrange them. Like the first one will be father, second one will be uncle, then third one will be teacher, and the fourth one will be mother. So these are the words from which we can know about our elders. These people are our elders, right? So go through this properly, write it, practice it at home. So this is about chapter 5. Then if we go to chapter 4, chapter 4 is also there. Punctuality, right? Chapter 4. What is the name of chapter 4? Time is precious. Time is precious. Page number 19. So time is precious. You come to page number 22. 2 to 22. Fill up. See, dash means doing things timely. What do you mean by that? Doing things timely means punctuality. Punctuality means doing things timely. Then number 2, early to dash and early to dash makes a man dash, dash and wise. So it is early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Healthy and wealthy, both the spellings are very important. So you learn the spellings. Then Jack was, what kind of boy was Jack? Was very active or lazy? Then you see, read the book, then you will come to know he was lazy, right? So this is done. Chapter 3 question, chapter 4 all the fill in the blanks we have discussed. In the same way, in the next class we will discuss the fill in the blanks, right? So go through this, whatever I have told, learn this properly, write it in your CW copy as practice, so that you can write well in exam. As you all know, practice makes man perfect, right? So you do it at home, practice everything that I have told you and get ready for the exam. Okay, thank you.